Okay.
Nope, it's on.
Oh, hi. Okay. This is Buggy.
Come on. Not now. Why didn't you let me go first?
What?
Look out. Yeah, did you put it up?
What the? You have to put your legs through that thing.
Don't.
Oh.
Is this how it goes on? Dad.
Try to get switched.
Our first time in the north. Still no monster.
What's the dog leash? Len said I shouldn't be using the dog leash. I don't know what those?
Well, no. I don't know what he's talking about.
How was work?
11.5 inches.
I had to go from here still to Mayo, and then.
And I get DNA.
I got 2 layers
Because I'd
on.
like to know if the fish here are genetically related to the taimen in our test area, or if they're distinct subspecies. That's enough.
Okay, go.
Hang on.
I'm gonna pause it.
No, you can't.
Go.
Just leave it alone. You aren't in a rush.
When we release fish, we want to release them in water with a little bit of current. And then if you twist their body and they can right themselves, then
My big butt be breaking that wood.
I can get myself out too. You didn't put it on the last one, did you? Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Pump your legs and swing.
Andy gets another hit. Another taimen.
You need a push? You need a push? Do a flip.
Hey, let me try getting out.
Oh, beautiful fish. Look at that.
Yeah, jump down and get over
watch
it.
me get stuck. You put it on the last one.
I put it in the last
Oh my God.
You gotta just remember what you did the last time.
What's wrong, Bug?
Arm straight up and down. Turn straight this way and arm straight up and down.
Okay.
No, don't take a picture of me. Your camera will break.
No, it won't. Thank you, Dad.
I only have 2 more days in Mongolia, and I want to spend as much time on the river as I can.
I'll be out later. I have drawings to show you.